to the law offices of Brown and Sealing. We're a Western Washington law firm, and we help you with wills, powers of attorney, living wills. That's right, future family planning documents. Okay? Wills are not scary. Wills are important. What do you need a will for? I don't need a will. I don't have anything. Hey, the most important thing you have is your children. Got to decide what will happen to your children if something happens to you. Well, I think my mom will take them. Really? Well, maybe your mom will take them, or you know what? Maybe somebody else's mom wants to take them. Maybe you think your sister's going to take them, but maybe some other person is going to argue for them. That's right. It's an expensive custody hearing. It's not good for the person trying to help you with your children. It's not good for the children. So, one of the most important things in a will. Well, I don't have any children. My children are older. I don't have to worry about that. You do have to worry about that. Because what's going to happen to some of your items? What about a home if you own one? Well, if something happens to me, my husband's going to get my home. My wife's going to get my home. What happens if something happens to both of you? You can't leave things like this just to common stance. Well, we've already agreed that if something happens to me, then my half is going to go to my children. Well, you know, that doesn't work either. More than 50% of families are blended families. What does that mean? They have children from two different sets of marriages. All of these things need to be laid out, and they need to be specific. The next most important thing you have to think about is powers of attorney. What are powers of attorney for? Well, powers of attorney are to allow other people to make decisions for you if you're not able to temporarily. So there's different types of powers of attorney. There's financial powers of attorney. There's medical powers of attorney. They're all valuable. They're all necessary. The next most important thing you're going to need, a living will. You need that. Got to decide what's going to happen if I become seriously ill or terminally ill or seriously injured. You put your family in a very awkward position if they don't know what you want to do. Maybe you want to stay on life support for a long time. That's fine. Maybe you don't want to stay on life support for a long time. That's fine. You can't put your family in a position that they don't know, and they don't know what you want. You need to give them a directive. You need to make somebody in charge. Somebody needs to be in charge. It's the most important thing. This is the biggest gift that you can ever give your family, and that is having all your future family planning documents all lined up and ready to go. You just don't realize until something happens how wonderful your family is going to feel. You have given them a gift that can never be replaced. So please, book an appointment today. We have office consultations. We have telephone consultations. We're members of the AROG group. We're members of the Hyatt Legal Group. We help the Teamsters also. So book an appointment today, telephone appointment, book online. We'd love to see you. We want to help you. But most of all, we want to be able for you to give your family the biggest gift they will ever have. And that's knowing what you want to do with the rest of your life. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.